Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make spicy buffalo chicken dip. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, 1 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese, and 1/2 cup of your favorite buffalo wing sauce. Don't forget 1/2 cup of ranch or blue cheese dressing, and 1½ cups of shredded cheddar cheese for that perfect cheesy finish. Now let's get mixing. In a large mixing bowl, combine your 2 cups of shredded chicken with the 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese. Next, pour in the 1/2 cup of buffalo wing sauce and 1/2 cup of ranch or blue cheese dressing. Stir everything together really well until all the ingredients are evenly distributed and the mixture is smooth and creamy. This forms the delicious base of our dip. It's time for the cheese. Stir 1 cup of the shredded cheddar cheese directly into your chicken mixture. Once that's mixed in, transfer the entire dip into an 8 by 8 inch baking dish. Now, sprinkle the remaining 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese evenly over the top. Bake this delicious creation in your preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until it's hot, bubbly, and the cheese is perfectly melted and golden. Once your spicy buffalo chicken dip is out of the oven, let it cool for just a few minutes. This helps it set up slightly and makes it easier to scoop. Serve it warm with your favorite dippers like sturdy tortilla chips, crunchy celery sticks, or even carrot sticks. For an extra touch, garnish with some chopped green onions or a drizzle of extra ranch. Enjoy this crowd-pleasing, flavorful dip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.